Welcome to Poul's Kitchen. Chef Paul with me today, Chef Amy.
Hi.
Good morning, Amy.
Hi.
So, today we're going to make a nice little dish. It's going to be really super easy, super simple. Very simple, and we're making rice pudding. Amy, do you like rice pudding?
Yes.
I like rice pudding. Do you like rice pudding? I think you should like rice pudding. It's one of those funny little things that people sit and say, well, I like it, but you know, you walk to a restaurant and you can't ever really find it. Why, I can't tell you, but it seems like you never find it. I need about 3 tablespoons of butter. I don't think this looks like 3 tablespoons to me. What do you think, Amy? A little bit more, maybe?
Yeah.
All right. Shout out to all your mothers out there. If your kids have chicken pox, leave them home. All right, we're going to turn the oven on, or the stove on to 5. I know I'm going to get corrected on that. So I'm going to sit and wait a little bit for this to melt down a little bit. So we do have the stove on. We want this to melt here. And while we're doing that, I'm going to try to find something else to measure. Oh, didn't take me long. We want 2 cups of rice. Now, if you went out for some Chinese yesterday and you don't have, and you already have a bunch of leftover rice that you really don't know what to do with, this might be a good reason to make this. Because, I mean, you can use overnight, just stuff that's left around. We're just going to recook it. It's not a big deal. It's got lots of other uses. I don't like cooking things with frozen butter. I like to let it melt down a little bit. This really is a really simple and easy recipe. It really is. I mean, rice pudding is one of those things I think everybody should have on hand because it's awesome. It's simple, it's easy. This is the most questionable thing that's going to give anybody a problem, is the butter. Unsalted butter. I would always keep it on hand. It's really good. And here's another reason why you want to go out and get yourself a cheap nut milk maker. I mean, really. For the price of a cup of oatmeal, just regular oats. That's nothing simple or nothing major, just simple oats. And I use 2 dates to sweeten it. You don't need to sweeten it, or you can use honey. You can use something else if you want. I'm just using dates. If we run out of dates, then I'll make it without it. It's not that big a deal. But in 30 minutes, you're going to get yourself some nice. Now I got 2 cups of oat milk. And I'm going to put in 2 cups of rice. And rice is really not that expensive either. I wouldn't use short grain. I'm actually using sticky rice. Sticky rice is my favorite, and you want white, not brown. It is rice pudding, so you don't need the brown on this. It's not going to look right. And I'd rather make my rice first. This is really simple. I mean, this. Gonna give this some nice stir here. And you can end this right here if you want. You don't have to put anything else in. All it's really taking is we're just going to cook this down until it gets nice and thick. 10-15 minutes of this, not hard. So I'm going to put some cinnamon in here. Like I said, you don't have to.
That's nutmeg.
That's nutmeg. Sorry. Where would I be without my wife? I'm gonna put in some allspice. Ground cloves. For the health value, you guys, you should really start using a lot more cloves. And then cinnamon. If you have some other spices that you want to put in, go ahead, put that in. And she's already getting pretty. I'm gonna lower this because it's working too quick. And just to sweeten it up, because I know Amy will get a little cranky if I don't.
No.
A little bit of honey. Now this is important. Stir this in, and we're going to be done in like about a minute here. It doesn't take very long. You just want to cook it until it gets to consistency that you want. Don't put a lid on this and walk away and think that you have all the time in the world. You don't. How does that look?
Good.
I mean, is this almost at the consistency that we want?
Yeah.
I think it is. It's going to make a big batch. I would definitely make a lot more. But we're pretty much funny enough done. Guys, look at this. Does this not look really, really good here? Alright, we're done. So sometimes it says it takes 10 minutes. We got a really hot stove, so it doesn't take us very long to do a whole lot. It might take you longer, but that's it. You're just going to wait for this to cool down. We're going to put this in some containers, and that's it. That's super easy, super simple. Going to taste great.